This is Mud. He is looking at a cat right now, and you can see his tail is wagging. I have the cat within nose reach. And this cat, and now they're sniffing. I dropped the phone. He is still wagging his tail. I'm going to hold the cat here. The cat, of course, wants to go for the food. It's a little difficult since the cat is rolling over now. We have no signs of aggression. He's still wagging his tail. And now I think we might do a little head bump. We're still wagging our tail. Hello? Over here. We are less than a foot apart. Nico, I'm going to come over here and see Mud. Nico is not afraid of dogs, apparently. And here we are. Of course, now Nico just wants to eat the food, and Mud doesn't seem to mind.